So when you're thinking about creating an estate plan and you're wondering what should be in that estate plan, you're thinking about first, where do you want your assets to go? Do you want them sold? Do you have a trust? Do you not have a trust? Do you want your property to be divided among all your children evenly? Do you want your property maybe to be given to each child? One house to one child, one house to another child, depending on your situation. These are all things, though, that you are going to talk to your attorney about in a design meeting. So at the beginning of the representation, we are going to go through all the things that are available to talk about, and available to include in your estate plan. The things around, what is going to happen to your assets? What is going to happen to the payment of any taxation related to your estate? Who has the power of attorney, and what happens once you die and the power of attorney is no longer available? And so what is going to happen to your bank accounts? Is somebody else maybe named on those bank accounts? Or are your people in your family going to have to go to the bank and bring in things to be able to get access to those bank accounts? So all these things are things you're going to talk about with your attorney, because there are so many different steps you can take so that you are providing more and more clarity for your family, so that when you pass, your family is not faced with just a big mess of, we don't know anything, we have no idea what to do next. And one thing that actually is super important that you can do when you're planning this estate planning is thinking about your social media presence. You can actually go in and fill out certain questionnaires with various platforms so that you can determine what is going to happen with your social media, because you might want to turn that over to someone in your family. You might have years of pictures on there that you want to be able to preserve. And so these are all things that you'll discuss with your attorney in your design meeting.